leaping through the fields so bright. Easter bunny comes tonight with a basket full of eggs, colors shining bright like dregs. Children smiling everywhere, joyful laughter fills the air. Easter bunny spreads the cheer, bringing happiness that's near. Hop along, hop along, Easter joy, sweet and strong. Eggs all found, oh what fun, Easter's here for everyone. Every child runs in delight, searching for the eggs inside. Bunny jumps so quick and merry, hiding treats behind the berry. With each giggle spirits rise underneath the sunny skies. Easter bunny loves to play, bringing joy in its special day. Hop along, Easter joy, sweet and strong. Eggs all found, oh what fun, Easter's here for everyone. So gather round, let's all sing Easter joy that bunnies bring. With candy treats and friends so dear, we celebrate the best time of year. Hop along, Easter joy, sweet and strong. Eggs all found, oh what fun, Easter's here.
Pastel colors paint the scene. Bunnies hiding eggs, a joyous routine. Family traditions, we gather once more. Laughter fills the air like never before. Baskets overflow, sugary delights. Chocolate bunnies nibbling bites. Church bells ringing a sacred day. Reminders of hope light awaits. Easter, oh Easter, let's make some noise. Family and friends, smiles and joys. Everybody gonna hop to the beat. If it goes well, hopefully a treat. Egg hunt, smiles on kids' faces. Hunting, gardens, searching all places. Parades march down the street. Bonnets and bowls in a cheerful beat. Feasting together, buttery rolls. Laughter and love, good for our souls. Creating memories will forever last. Enjoying the moment as time goes past. Easter, oh Easter, let's make some noise. Family and friends, smiles and joys. Everybody gonna hop to the beat. If it goes well, hopefully a treat. From strangers to family we unite, sharing this day of hope and light. Putting aside our worldly cares, embracing the joy that Easter shows.